In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer money from Wise to an international bank account. Whether you're sending money to family overseas or making an international business transaction, knowing how to efficiently and safely transfer funds across borders is incredibly valuable. Let's start with what Wise is, in case you're not familiar. Wise, formerly known as TransferWise, is an online platform designed for international money transfers. It's well regarded for its ease of use and competitive exchange rates, allowing you to send money all over the globe without unnecessary hassle or hidden fees. To begin, log into your Wise account. You'll want to ensure you have access to your account, so if you've forgotten your password, take a moment to reset it before we proceed. Now that you're logged in, on the main dashboard, you'll find the option labeled Send Money. Go ahead and click on that. This will take you to a new screen where you can begin the transaction process. In the next section, you'll be asked to enter how much money you intend to transfer. Make sure to double-check the amount because once the transaction is initiated, changes can be complex to manage. Enter both the sending amount and the currency you wish to transfer to. Wise will automatically compute the best exchange rate for you. Following that, you'll need to fill in the recipient's banking information. This usually includes the recipient's full name, their international bank account number, commonly known as IBAN, and sometimes the specific bank code or SWIFT code. This information ensures your funds are sent to the correct bank account. This is the part where accuracy is key. Avoid any typographical errors, as they may result in failed transfers or delays. Once you've entered all the required details, Wise will show a summary of your transaction, including any fees involved. Review this summary to ensure everything looks good. Wise's fee structure is often more transparent compared to traditional banks, and they'll clearly show you the exact amount your recipient will get, including any fees they're taking from the transfer amount. When you're satisfied with the details, you can proceed by clicking Continue. At this stage, you'll be prompted to select a payment method. Wise will offer you various methods such as direct bank debit, wire transfer, or credit card, depending on your region. Pick the option that suits you best. After selecting your payment method, you may need to verify your identity if Wise prompts you to do so. This is a common security measure, especially for first-time users sending large amounts. Simply follow the on-screen prompts to complete verification. Now you're ready to confirm the transfer. Once you hit Confirm, Wise will begin processing your transaction. The time it takes for the money to reach the recipient will vary based on the destination and the chosen payment method. And there you have it, funds transferred seamlessly from Wise to an international bank account. Keep an eye on your email and the Wise app for updates on your transfer status. They'll notify you once the transaction is complete. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Happy transferring, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below.